Storm, look at him go. Look at that.
Yep.
What are you doing here, honey?
We're cooking up some of our catch we caught in Coral Bay on that fishing charter. Here's the Adam again on the seaforth.
Yeah, and Brock.
And Brock.
Yeah.
Thanks fellas.
So much fun.
So I've got some Robinson sea bream, and I'm doing it the old fashioned way that my mum always taught me. So I've cut all the bones out of it, because you don't want to be going fishing for bones when you're crumbing it.
When you're pigging out.
Yeah, when you're picking out, you don't want to be like sitting there pulling bones out. So yeah, just simple thing. In the flour.
What's that over there?
Dip it in the egg.
That's your crumbs. Oh.
Yeah. And then this is the way I do it. I just lay them on a base of crumbs until the plate's full.
Yeah.
And these are off our little 5-acre hobby farm back in Mandurah.
What? The eggs, they are too.
Yeah.
There are eggs
So,
from Rosie and Rosie.
Yeah.
Aww.
Our beaut little 2 hens we have back home.
Yeah, free range eggs. Rosie and Rosie.
And this is going to taste amazing.
Like we would have had to have taken out 4 seats in the charter to get enough food for Jake. And paid people to sit at the other things to reel all the fish in, because he loves his food. He's a very fit, lovely, handsome young man. Takes after his father, really. So yeah. Anyway, sorry kids, not tonight. We're eating Robinson
Sea bream.
all on our own.
Yeah.
We'll come back when we're cooking it, and
No, I haven't finished yet.
oh, right, hasn't finished. Got more to say. Hang on.
Yeah, because I've got this far, so now, so you're not mucking around.
Should we just turn a light on here so we can... There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Sprinkle over breadcrumbs over the top now.
Uh-oh, our favourite song's finished. Our theme song's just finished.
Don't spoil the video.
So we're downloading some music for our videos. This is cool, but it only goes for like 2 seconds. Just to make it more interesting.
Look at that. So they're ready to go. I think we've got, this is going to be dinner. It's going to be dinner, breakfast and lunch. I think
So we're gonna eat like the best fish for the next, I don't even know how long.
Yeah, have a look at this.
Now look, let's have a look. Fish. Thank you, Seafoss.
We've got sharp tooth in there. We've got.
Thank you, Seafoss.
We've got sea perch. We've got more Robinson sea bream. We've got pan snapper, honeycomb cod. We've got a lot of different species of fish in there, and
yeah, I'm not a animal killer, but I do like my fish. Anyway.
so
Right, so this is Kelly's special fried rice.
special.
And it's special because I've never actually made it before. Kelly does Kelly surprises often. No, not very often. That's a lie. She does them every now and again. They always taste really good. So I've got Rod chopping up some jalapenos. We've got some capsicum there. And we're heating up some garlic oil. And I'm going to make a fried rice to go with that beautiful fish. So fingers crossed it all works out. If it doesn't, we've got some leftover rice from the other night when we
Leftover capsicum.
whatever we did, and a little bit of coconut cream. I don't know what we're going to do with that. But look at him go. He's just amazing.
Leftover capsicum, jalapenos.
Yeah. So we can fast forward through all of this too. Actually, should I chuck it all in?
We can block out.
Okay. Keep it running. We're going to fly fast forward. The slow motion, that bit.
Yeah, try to be fancy. That's detail. And 10 second rule. Drop on the floor. Pick up 10 seconds. 10 second rule. Ready? We'll deal with. Although, tunes today, they're pretty quick.
We had people in our van last night. Like, they were so lovely. But apparently they weren't allowed to look in someone else's van because they were too rowdy. And we're like, yeah, come on, have a look in ours because you all seem really lovely. Anyway, they all came in and checked it out. So.
So they actually end up knowing a lot of people I went to
So
school
many
with.
people. You have to talk louder when
Small
you
world.
find.
Small world.
Yeah. Like crazy.
Candela days.
Yep. Amazing. I think I was a chef in a past life. Can you believe that? Back in the
That's the rice.
It went the rice, just leftover rice. Okay.
Yeah. Don't waste any food at all left over from another meal.
Yeah, and I was just kind of, you know, like there's just not a lot of moisture left in the bacon or the capsicum. And it's just sizzling along beautifully here. The rice is probably a little bit overcooked for fried rice. I seriously know what I'm talking about.
Do you reckon? Do you reckon she makes a good Miss Manu?
This menu.
Miss Manu.
Yeah.
Mrs. Manu.
Yeah. Oh, Miss what?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, so just like sizzling away there. Let's see, don't mind that. Just turn it down a little bit.
And that's what happens when you've had too many wines.
Yeah, well, you know, you can't. It's art, honey, art.
Yeah. Oh
Now
my God.
we bought this today. It was only like $35. We bought this today. It was only $35 at the supermarket in Exmouth.
Yeah.
A little bit of soy sauce. Hope it's good.
Better look over your shoulder, Sheriff.
Alright, so perhaps we're making a risotto. I've changed my mind. We're not making fried rice anymore. We're making a risotto. Maybe. I don't know.
You can't slip around.
I don't know. I've just like half read recipes and stuff.
I know that.
Sure, it's going to be really yummy.
You better stop there. Better stop now. You better not wait.
Right, I'm just going to put a little bit of coconut milk in there.
Who do you think
Oh,
you're,
I'll tell ya.
Henry? Ain't nobody here sleeping, Sheriff.
Don't actually know.
We're
this is real.
And the world's gonna fall.
Honey.
People are going to love this.
Yeah, are they?
People are going to love watching this.
Yeah, the worst thing is
People clowning around.
they're not going to like go,
Look at that.
oh, can you send me the recipe? Because I'll be like,
You
don't
better
have
watch
one.
what you're doing, Henry.
Just make it.
I'm
Better
just,
take it
you know, as you
easy.
go,
Somebody might be
potentially
watching.
could be really amazing
And
or could be a
And the world.
complete failure.
the world's gonna fall on you. And the world's
Everybody
gonna
loves
fall.
coconut though.
You're not.
Better look over your shoulder,
Yeah, it
Sheriff.
is. It's doing the
Somebody
thing I
might
thought
be
it would. It's
watching,
turning
Henry.
from
You can't tell
fried
who's
rice
gonna see you.
into
The world's gonna fall on you. And the world's gonna fall.
what's that stuff called? Risotto.
Whatever.
Whatever. It'll
gonna
be nice
taste
with the
nice.
fish. I haven't actually tasted it yet, so
Ain't nobody here sleeping, Sheriff.
still reckon it's going to
The world's
taste
gonna
really
fall.
good.
And the world's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Oh my lord, you can see the steam coming off it. Oh my god, I've already had all the taste test. I haven't had one. That's amazing. Coupled with my Kelly Surprise fried rice. We're going to be eating like kings tonight.